Good afternoon, world, and welcome to another edition of Eccentrics Understands. My name is Eccentrics. TikTok, woohoo! Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and make sure that you subscribe and hit the bell button for future notifications when I post new videos, which are at least 1 to 2 to 3 times a day. My latest trailer will be coming out soon, much anticipated, on exactly what this channel is, who it's for, and what Eccentrics basically is going to be talking about. So today's message is about fashion, but it's also about love versus hate. I was driving to an appointment this morning and I came to a stoplight and I was like, whoa, I better slow down. It's a stoplight, so I don't get into an accident, which is relatively important. So I thought to myself, there's so many things in the world that we don't discuss, and some of the things that we don't discuss is right in front of us, and some of those messages need to be said. And this is going to be, some people will like this video, some people won't like this video, but I don't really give a shit. So we're going to be talking about love versus hate and how that connects to fashion and style. So love is like artificial intelligence. It exists and it can become awesome. Artificial intelligence that exists and become awesome. What is love? Love is an affection or a connection to someone that you feel great. You feel great, you get all that googly-eyed kind of like feeling and butterflies in your stomach when you're around that person, and you get super excited to see them, you get super excited to be in their life, share their life with you, whether that's through family, friends, connections, acquaintances. You know, it's you and the other individual as well, making that bond connection and, you know, really trying to work on a relationship, whether that's a relationship that has ceased to exist, whether that's a relationship that's just in the new stages of development as well. Love can be infatuation as well. So what does infatuation mean? Well, infatuation means basically that you're infatuated with something or someone for a very short period of time. So when we're talking short period of time, it could be 6 months, it could be a year. You know, I've been infatuated. I remember growing up watching 90210 and thinking, oh my God, like this guy is so hot, and thinking Pamela Anderson on Baywatch was like super cool, and oh my God, her boobs just look so amazing. And I was thinking to myself, oh my gosh, you know, this is before I came out, so I was thinking, oh geez, Murphy Eccentrics, like, whew, you need to get a girl like that. Well, I didn't end up with a girl. I ended up with a man. And that being said, we had a great relationship. And, you know, the love that existed between us was mutual. We enjoyed our company. We enjoyed doing things together, whether it was going on walks, whether it was going on vacations, whether it was just spending time together or cuddling as well. So love is something that is affection and connection. So you can love things as well. Things are just stuff though. Things are just stuff. But in relation to fashion and makeup and skincare, you can love particular products and you can love particular things. For example, and I'm not making this up, so I have Giuseppe Sonati sneakers. I have Coach boots. I have Givenchy boots. I have Coach bags. This one's a little heavy, if I can get it here, because I was using it this morning. I have Michael Kors bags as well. And these things are all great. You know, I became infatuated with luxury products, and I had to have them. And you can be infatuated with something for a short time, a long time, or just a short period. And for me, it has been a long time, I must say. So I'm making improvements in that, and I've been infatuated with makeup for years. I love colors. I love, you know, the rainbow. I love the sky, the sunset. And, you know, that goes back to the love of a relationship as well. So what is hate? You know, and how does hate pertain to fashion? So we all think, well, I hate that person or I dislike that person. Well, you can hate in the world, but there is no room for hate. But hatred is always there. There will always be mean people that do not like the way you look, the way you talk. They may just not like your hair. They may not like anything about you. They may not like the way that you dress. They may not like your shoes or your purses. And they may not like who you are as an individual. So when I'm talking about this, I'm talking about to all you women and men out there, you know what? Be unique, be you, and make sure that the hatred does not continue. But what is hatred? It's a dislike or a disgust. It's animosity towards someone. It's degrading. It is basically putting people down, being mean, being shameful, being hurtful to somebody, and it can be done so easily that the other individual does not even know, or it can be done so harshly that the other individual does know. So hate in this world, you know what? I try to always think to myself, let's be optimistic every day. Something great is going to happen to you today, and something great is going to happen. So that is my message for today. How it relates to fashion in regards to hate is you can hate the person's fashion, you can hate their glasses, you can hate their sunglasses, you can hate their skincare, you can hate their apartment, you can hate their car that they drive, etc. However, if it makes them happy, and this is the point that I want to get across to everybody here, is that if it makes people happy, let them be happy. I came out and I am happy being gay. I am happy. I am happy that I wear makeup. I am happy that I like luxury products and brands. My bank account doesn't, but I do love fabulous things, great things. And that being said, just on a note, my trailer will be coming out, basically telling you all about Eccentrics, its target audience, who I am, what we stand for, and basically how you, as a beauty influencer, are going to love and like this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and please leave me a comment. Some people really like inspirational and motivational videos, and some people really like makeup, skincare tutorials. Some people like eyeshadow makeup. Some people like contouring. So tomorrow, get ready. We are going to do Beginners 101 contouring with the Smashbox contour palette. That's right, the Smashbox contour palette is here tomorrow on Eccentrics Understands. You don't want to miss it, so make sure you tune in, hit the subscribe button, and we will see you later. And remember, you are you. Tick tock, time's a ticking. Make sure you're unique. Thanks for watching, and cheers.